Hey Baes, it's Rissa May, and I am in the middle of reorganizing my room, getting rid of stuff, all that stuff, because it's midterms, and I thought perfect opportunity to get rid of stuff so that the rest of the semester is as smooth as possible, because I feel like I am definitely running out of room and I feel very confined. I know my room is teeny tiny, but I could definitely have a lot more room. So I'm in the middle of reorganizing. Right now I'm working on my little movable cart here. I just put all of my makeup into a cup because yesterday I got an eyeliner pen and it has to stay standing up. Before I had my makeup in this and everything would be laying down, right? But it would also be hard to like grab stuff. So I decided to use one of my kitchen cups that is cracked. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a crack right there. And so I'm using this and I'm going to see if I can take this tray and put it in here instead, because I also have this stuff, but I'm thinking I can take this stuff and move it into these two little ones instead. But we will see how that one works. So that's the first order of business. Also, I need to slim down on what's in these two bottom racks, because obviously I can't do much with my hair as much as I used to do with my long hair. So I need to get rid of stuff like headbands and all that fun stuff. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, I feel kind of professional. I love the setup. So this is how I organized it. So everything that I use every single day is in this, because it's actually nice, because usually in the mornings when I'm doing my makeup, I do it at my desk. And so this is what I do. I go like this, and then I'm constantly reaching over. So it'll be nice to just have a little thing I can like doop, doop, and then do everything and then put it back. So that'll be nice. You never realize how much hair exists until you live with 6 other girls. I'm going home for spring break, and I want to take all the stuff that I don't want here and take it to my room in West Jordan. So I have my suitcase and I'm just throw stuff in it that I don't want here. Alrighty, so I'm starting to get back into wearing headbands again now that my hair is a little bit longer. So I'm just going to keep the ones that are like neutral colors that I can always wear, or ones that I used to wear like match outfits and stuff like that. So I'm keeping black, white, gray, and I'm gonna keep my cream textured one. And then I'm going to keep this peach one because I have an outfit that goes with this. So yeah, and I think I can get rid of the rest. I love headbands, by the way. They're my favorite accessory. So it's really hard to like pick colors that I want to keep. I want to keep some just in case. So I'm going to keep this tan one, and I'll keep all of my blues because I wear a lot of blues, and my purple because I'm attached to purple things. Okay, even though I don't wear it a lot. So that takes care of the neon red, like that yellow, all of the pinks. Fun fact, I don't wear a lot of pink, so. And my flower ones. When I had long hair and I went to the gym, I would do a ponytail and then I would pick a scrunchie to match. to get me motivated to work out, because that actually worked a lot. This is what happens when you have a tiny room, is that random stuff just ends up in the weirdest places because you don't know where else to put it. So that's going home. This is the most genius idea ever. I have these 2 glass cork bottles, which is, I found this idea on Pinterest, I think, but you put your hair ties in one and your bobby pins in the other, and it is great because you can like stack them, whatever, and it's just so great. I love these. Literally my favorite. That actually feels so much better already. Like, look how clean this is. Look how clean it looks now. Looks so organized. Okay. So normally when I clean my desk, I take everything off, clean it, and then put it back on. But I'm not gonna do that this time. Ta-da! Look how clean and nice it looks. Okay, let's move on to my dresser. Okay, let's just take a look inside this drawer, which is like my stash of everything that I don't have another place for. So there's 2 of these baskets above my closet, and one has yarn stuff in it, which is this one, and then the other one has like bathroom stuff. So I can actually move that stuff to my drawer in the bathroom, which will also be nice because that one's like pretty much empty. So, but I'm going to try to put my yarn stuff in here. At least the stuff that I like grab for a lot, you know? So now I got 2 baskets. I'm gonna put my hats in one. Okay, this shoebox just has random stuff in it. Like, my dad got me this multi-use screwdriver thing. Okay, so here's my buckets that are gonna go above my bed, my closet. So this one just has hats and my heating pad in it, and this one just has a bunch of random crap in it that I still need but don't need out, you know? So let's just put these back above my closet. I 100% recommend baskets like that if you're gonna go to college because they're so freaking nice. I want a travel jewelry holder. Ooh, I should add that to my birthday list. I've been trying to think of things that I want for my birthday that'll help me with my mission. So that's a thing to add to my mission list. Okay, my dresser actually looks a lot better now. Ta-da! I recently received my endowments, so I now have garments, and some clothes do not work. So I need to get rid of the clothes that don't work with my garments. So I'm just gonna go through my drawers and get rid of stuff that I don't need and that don't work with garments. Reveal of the room, all organized. It already feels so nice. Like, it felt really good to put all that stuff in a suitcase, just because it's been hanging around for a while and I have not been using it. So yeah, but here is the final reveal. I love how this looks, how less cluttered it looks. And I also love my new desk arrangement. There's my dresser. My bed looks the same. My closet. You can see how much room my coat takes up. It's giant, but yeah, that's all the same. But thanks for coming along on this spur of the moment video. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. Peace.